When we think about stabilizing families, we think about cost savings. This solar installation is going to save thousands a year for a family that's going to be living here hopefully for many years to come. We are thrilled to be able to partner with SolUp and all of their vendors.
SolUp is so proud to be working with Hopelink and all of our channel partners, and we certainly look forward to more opportunities and ventures like this in the future.
We at Meyer Burger are really excited to work with our pinnacle partner SolUp on this project to support Hopelinks. We believe in a sustainable future with sustainable products. That's what Meyer Burger is about, and that's what a pinnacle partner like SolUp's about, to do projects like this.
At Hopelink, we really value our community partnerships, and on behalf of the board of directors, we want to thank our partners today, and especially for SolUp for putting this project forward.